Get results 10 times faster with Pro Upgrade. Get access to geo-targeted rank monitor, newly developed dynamic video link tracker and more extra functionality and features to monetize Youstudio even quicker guaranteed. We want to overdeliver and we want you to make the most money possible. That's why we created this Pro version for you. In this Pro version you get 1. The ability to set geolocation-based video rank monitoring. 2. Our incredible YouTube rank checker on unlimited keywords and videos. 3. Ability to set up rank alerts so you know exactly how your videos or client videos are performing. 4. Access to xLinkly, our newly developed dynamic video link tracker, never been launched on any platform, so you will be the first to own this tool. 5. And track your video performance in foreign countries for global ranking. Rank monitoring tool. Imagine if you could keep a close eye on each of your videos or your client videos to know exactly how it's performing across different countries. This is one of the best video ranking tools for every serious video marketer, as it gives you more power over your competition. You will get ability to set rank notifications so you can be alerted when your videos drop or goes up in rank on YouTube. This lets you monitor your video performance closely. Ability to set geolocation-based rank notification to monitor how your video is doing in other countries. Priceless. Video link tracker. Never use raw links ever again, as you will be losing a ton of traffic in the process. Use our brand new link tracker software that shows you deep metrics about each link so you know the quality of traffic you're getting, with tips on how to better improve it. With xLinkly link tracker, you get access to dynamic link statistics. Allow you see detailed statistics about your links, including precise date, time, click counts, countries, referrers, devices, browsers and more. Link grouping. Group multiple links together to allow viewing statistics for all links in that group and see how different groups perform when compared to each other. QR code generator. Generate and copy a fully functional shortened URL QR code with a single click. Scanning QR code will redirect to any long URL of your choice. Custom domains. You can attach custom domains and subdomains so your short links will use your own site URL. Link custom pages. Create fully custom HTML pages with built-in WYSIWYG editor that can be shown to user before redirecting them to destination URL. Link splash pages. Add splash pages with information about destination URL, and optional ads can be shown to user before redirecting them to destination URL. And lots more. You also get our geolocation-based rank checker with this Pro version. You can pick a specific video link and check their rank across several countries in one click. You are way ahead of the game with this one, you know exactly what you need to do. Best part, with this Pro version you can create unlimited searches for unlimited videos. No more limitations. With this Pro upgrade, the sky is the limit on what you can do. You can work for unlimited clients without limitation, or even use for all your videos without fear. With this Pro version you can create unlimited rank reports, viral keywords, find unlimited viral videos, syndicate unlimited videos across the biggest social networks. So let's recap. If you take action right now, THSA are what you'll get now. Rank monitor tool to keep a close eye on all your videos and clients' videos, video link tracker to help maximize your traffic and never waste a click, geo-targeted rank checker to peak on your video performance world over. And all with no limitations. Create unlimited campaigns. You have absolute freedom. And we priced this insanely low. You haven't seen an upgrade offer for such a high-quality product at such a low price before. I want to truly over-deliver and make it easy and affordable for anyone to start generating sales right away. Fair warning though. This deal is only good during this launch special. So here are the 10x benefits you are receiving today for 10x faster results. 1. The ability to keep a close eye on all your videos and clients' videos using our rank monitor tool. 2. Maximize your traffic and never waste a click. 3. Peak on your video performance world over in just a click using our rank checker tool. 4. Our brand new never launched before xLinkly for dynamic link tracking and retargeting. 5. And the zero cap unlimited usage. Of course, you're also covered by our rock-solid, no questions asked money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied at any time during the first 14 days after your purchase, just open a support ticket, tell us you want a refund, and that's it. We won't ask why and we won't try to trick you into changing your mind. No questions asked means no questions asked. Act now from the link in description and activate subscribe bell.